Walk like an Egyptian.
Today's mummy craft is making Egyptian headdresses for Boo and my little baby troll. You can get the pattern for this craft from our website, but if you don't get the pattern from the website, you can use a piece of heavy scrap paper. Otherwise, all you need are some markers and glue and scissors, and we're ready to go. First, we'll take the pattern and make one for Boo. The pattern's pretty easy to color in. I'm going to make it purple and pink to match Boo's outfit. I like to add shading to mine and make it really fancy. Then I'll color the headband and the snake in gold. And then you can just cut them both out. You'll want to color the other side of the snake too, because it gets folded over and has to be seen from both sides. Fold the little snake's head forward and then curve the rest of the body back so you can make a loop that you can glue to the headband of the pharaoh's headdress. It should look a little something like this. Once you've glued them all together, then you can add some little gemstone eyes to the little snake so that he looks all spooky and finished and beautiful. And there you go, it's ready for Boo.
Walk like an Egyptian.
So if you don't have the pattern, I'll show you how to draw the one I did for the troll there. The troll is about the same size as Boo, so that's the way we're going to draw it. If you wanted to make one for yourself, you'd need a bigger piece of white poster board. So what you do is you're going to take and draw a big triangle. And then you're going to draw a rectangle on the bottom. So make it look kind of like a house. Now, you're going to chop off the top and round the corners a little. And you're going to round these corners here, like that. And then you're going to round the corners down here, go up like so. So it's almost like you got a little door on the house, but all the corners are a little bit rounded. And then you're going to put a hole in here for the head. Okay? Like that. I'm just doing it with a pencil, but you can do it with, Then, round this corner here. Round this corner. All right. Then you go in with ink. I'm taking a Sharpie and I'm just drawing it in. Very easy to do. Okay, now you want to put a headband like on it. As if it's on like so. Okay, then from there you're going to take and you're going to put like a little curly thing on here, because what's happening is it's like cloth that's been flipped over the back of the head. I'm going to make this a little flatter topped. That's all right, because we're going to cut that off anyway, like that. And there you go. Now, you're going to want to put stripes on it. So you put one stripe at the top. You can make them pretty even. They don't have to be perfect, but it'll look a little like this. Like I said, not hard to make. Easy and fun. Now you want a snake to go on the point of the crown. This is how you draw the snake. Give him like a little triangular sort of head with little rounded edges there. And then you flatten out like the part of the cobra, the hood, that acts like a shield around its throat, kind of. And then you put a little tab on the end so that you can curl it up. Okay, so you got yourself a little snake-like guy here. Now you can flip him over and go like this. And then curl him up a little here. Just curl up the right end here. And you're going to put a little dab of glue on it so that it's like that. And then it gets glued right here. Okay, let's tidy it up a little. We can put a black outline on it and erase all the pencil lines. Make it look nice and finished. You want to glue your snake in place. I put a lot of glue on there, so I'm going to glue the snake into a little loop like that. And then you set the little snake right on there like that. That's okay, we'll fix that. If you need tape, you go ahead and use it. I want it to be both things there. All right, now stick it coming out of the mouth of the snake like that. Let's give it a little curl. Okay, everybody's sticking, the tongue is on. Now we just have to color it in. These are just little stick-on gemstone eyes that I got at the drugstore. And there you go. And here's my little baby troll to put it on. And now my baby troll is a pharaoh. This craft works on other stuffed animals too. In fact, it works better because they have kind of squishy heads. I hope you enjoyed this mummy craft, and I hope you come back tomorrow for more.
Walk like an Egyptian.